This video will walk you through the installation and operation steps for the Wintemp Instant Hot Water Dispenser. Before you begin, turn off the power and the water supply valve. Make sure all mounting hardware and required tools are ready. Step 1. Insert the faucet body. Place the faucet body into the prepared hole from above the countertop. Make sure the faucet faces the correct direction and sits flat on the countertop surface. Step 2. Install the rubber gasket from underneath the countertop. Slide the black rubber gasket onto the threaded pipe, align it with the mounting hole and push it upward until it sits flush against the underside of the countertop. Step 3. Install the stainless steel washer. Slide the stainless steel washer onto the threaded pipe from underneath the countertop. Push it upward until it contacts the rubber gasket. Step 4. Tighten the hex nut. Thread the hex nut clockwise onto the threaded pipe. Use the supplied wrench to tighten the nut upward until it is firmly secured against the washer and gasket. Step 5. Connect the outlet braided hose. Thread the braided hot water hose onto the connector at the bottom of the faucet. Tighten the connection securely. Step 6. Place the tank under the sink in a stable, upright position. Make sure it is close enough to the faucet and grounded outlet. Step 7. Install the supplied pressure relief valve assembly on the water inlet of the instant hot water tank. Tighten it securely. Step 8. Peel off the adhesive backing from the pressure relief drain bottle. Attach the bottle to the side of the unit. Insert the drip tube into the bottle opening. Step 9. Connect the water supply. The pressure relief valve comes with one pre-installed pay tube. Make sure the pay tube is fully inserted and secured with the supplied blue locking clip. Step 10. Connect the faucet hot water tube to the tank outlet. Use the included G1/2 plastic wrench to tighten the hex nut until it is securely fastened. Step 11. Open the cold water supply valve and to wait approximately 2 minutes to allow the internal tank to fill with water. Then open the hot water faucet and check whether water flows from the faucet. Step 12. Power on and select the heating mode. Plug the unit into a grounded outlet. Use the rear rocker switch to select the heating mode. The center position turns the unit OFF. Press the right side for mode 1. 750W low power heating. Press the left side for mode 2, 1300W high power heating. Step 13. Set the outlet temperature. Rotate the front control knob to the desired heating position. The display will show the current tank water temperature. The maximum outlet water temperature can reach up to 190 for F. At this point, the display shows 190 for F. Open the faucet to dispense hot water. Installation is now complete.